Good morning, students. We'll be continuing with the topic gingiva. We'll be discussing different cells of gingiva. Microscopic feature of gingiva. Gingival epithelium is stratified squamous epithelium and the connective tissue is known as lamina propria. Gingival epithelium is predominantly cellular. It is stratified squamous epithelium. So what is meaning of squamous? Squamous means very thin and flattened cell. And what is stratified? Stratified means arranged in the layer one over another. The oral epithelium is comprised of stratified squamous epithelium. It is most protective resistant epithelium. The epithelium lies at the basement membrane which separates it from underlying connective tissue. Above connective tissue, there is a series of more or less well-defined layers. First comes stratum basal. Cells which undergo division. It is one or two cell layer thick. Then stratum spinosum with characteristic pickle appearance. And in contrast to stratum basal, it is many cell layer thick and make up the bulk of the epithelium. After stratum spinosum, there is stratum granulosum. Stratum granulosum because it contains keratohyalin granule and these can be seen in the light microscope. And last, stratum corneum. There is drastic changes in the structures of the cell. Nucleus disappear in stratum corneum. Granules are lost as well as various organelles. Cells are packed with tonofilaments and cell wall thickness increase. Desmosome lose their intermediate layer and many are lost altogether. Formation of cornified layer could be regarded as an efficient, well-integrated system of protection to the underlying tissues. Layers of gingival epithelium that we have already discussed. Principal cells of gingival epithelium. 90% of the cells of gingival epithelium are keratinocytes and non-keratinocyte or clear cell, they are melanocyte, Merkel cell, Langerhans cell and inflammatory cells. Keratinocyte. Epithelial cell that ultimately keratinize are called as keratinocyte or keratocytes. It is a dehydrated cell. The principal cell occupies 90% of the epithelium. That means keratinocyte constitute about 90% of the cells of the epithelium. And it takes approximately 1 month for keratinocyte to reach the outer epithelial surface where it became shed from the stratum corneum. What is keratin? Keratin is a protein that protects epithelial cell from damage or various stresses. Keratin is extremely insoluble in water and organic solvent. It is the key structural material making up the outer layer of human skin. So it makes the outer layer of human skin, hair and nail. So it's a protective protein, it's a water insoluble protein that make up hair, skin and nails. Keratinocyte characteristic feature is it is filled with the keratin, that is tonofilament, and it is a dehydrated or dead cell. Function of keratin. Keratin and associated filament provide a scaffold for epithelial cells and tissue to sustain mechanical stresses, maintain their structural integrity and ensure mechanical resiliency, protect against variation in hydrostatic pressure and establish cell polarity. Keratin and its filament are involved in cell signaling, cell transport, cell compartmentalization and cell differentiation. We have discussed keratinocyte constitute 90% of the cell population and rest are clear cell. Other than keratinocyte are clear cell. And why they are called clear cell? Because in histological section there is a presence of clear halo around the nucleus. So this clear area around the nucleus, that is why these cells are named as clear cells. And it constitutes 10% of the cell of the oral epithelium. These are dendritic cells. Dendritic cell means there is a body having various processes projecting from the body. Clear cell that is present in gingival epithelium are Merkel cell, melanocyte, Langerhans cell and inflammatory cell. These are melanocyte. As the name suggests, melanocyte or melanin producing cells. Then next is Langerhans cell. These are for antigen detections. 90% of the cells are keratinocyte and Merkel cell. These are sensory cells. Merkel cell was described by Merkel in 1875 and he named them as touch cell. Origin neural crest and epithelial origin. Structure 10 to 15 micron meter. Possess desmosomal attachment. It's the only cell that possesses desmosomal attachment in all the clear cell. It is the only cell having desmosomal attachment. It is located at the basal and suprabasal area. Function: it is responsible for light touch response. Next is Langerhans cell. It is derived from the bone marrow. Structure: Langerhans cell are star-shaped cell having dendritic extension that protrude through several layers of keratinocyte and transfer antigen without disturbing the permeability barrier. In ultrastructural examination shows presence of Weber granule in the cytoplasm which internalize the virus. These Weber granules are electron-dense organelles having tennis racket appearance. There are two types of cells based on their morphological appearance. Type 1 Langerhans cell, they are present in the suprabasal layer. They are pyramidal in shape. These cells contain greater number of Weber granules, electron-lucent cytoplasm and longer dendritic process. Type 2 Langerhans cell are present in the basal layer and are spherical in shape. They contain less amount of Weber granules, they are electron-dense cytoplasm and shorter dendritic process. Function: Langerhans cell function as antigen-presenting cell by the means of toll-like receptor. Langerhans cell locally process the antigen and they can either migrate out to the lymph node. So important point is they can either locally process the antigen or they can either migrate out to the lymph node where they can present the antigen to the T cell. In the course of the journey to the lymph node, Langerhans cell matures and they acquire improved ability for T cell co-stimulation. In this diagram, we'll have a look what is the function of Langerhans cell. Langerhans cell, it is a most potent antigen presenting cell and it is capable of initiating the adaptive immune response and they are capable of engaging and as well as internalizing a wide variety of pathogen that is present in the oral cavity. As we can see in the diagram, there is a pathogen. It's being internalized by the Langerhans cell and once it has internalized the pathogen, it will move from epithelium to underlying connective tissue and it will move to the cutaneous lymph node. In the cutaneous lymph node, with the help of toll-like receptor, it will activate CD8 cell and CD4 cell which lead to the production of CD8 cytotoxic T cell and hence these cytotoxic T cell can control the inflammation that is produced by the pathogen. Inflammatory cell. The most common inflammatory cell is a lymphocyte. Although polymorphonucleus neutrophil and mast cell, they are also present. Melanocyte cell. They are pigment producing cell, originate from neural crest cell. Structure: it is a long dendritic process. It synthesizes melanin in melanosome. Function: pigmentation of skin and mucosa, thus protect from ultraviolet radiations. Degree of pigmentation is determined by the activity of cell, not by the numbers of cell. How the melanin is produced? In the presence of tyrosinase, the tyrosinase will act on tyrosine and it will make dihydroxyphenylalanine and this is how melanin is produced and it is stored in melanophores or melanophages. Stages of melanosome development. Stage 1, pre-melanosome. They are round, small vesicle with amorphous matrix. Stage 2, melanosome. They have an organized structure, fibrillar matrix and tyrosinase is present, but pigment synthesis has not been noted. Stage 3, the beginning of melanin production take place at this stage where pigment is deposited on the protein fibril. Stage 4, at the last, pigment fills the whole melanosome. Gingiva color depend upon the number and the size of vasculature, epithelial thickness, degree of keratinization and pigment within the gingival epithelium. In this picture, we can see melanin is there in the gingiva, and this is the post-op picture of the same patient in which depigmentation surgery was done in order to get rid of pigmentation that was there. Thank you.